Mr Mare.
Yes, Ramside Amundus. What you want in the early morning now?
Mr Mare, make we go up the road to drink 2 rum.
Ramside Amundus, you don't have nothing in your yard to do. They just light Saturday morning. Before you find something to do in your yard, you will call me if you can drink rum. I don't want a rum from you, man. You know, sister, me I got church. I have 2 buckle of roots in my fridge. I don't want you can call me if you can drink rum. And not you want dragon. I don't want nothing from you because you're too worthless. Remember, say you don't have a family, you know. I know you don't have no woman because you don't like spend. The reason why you call me if you can't drink rum is because you look rum friend. You understand? Me I got church round, so you know, brother. So me don't want a rum. Me have 2 buckle of roots when me mix and drink and strong up my body. Me know why you call me if you go drink a rum now and a dragon. And when something happen to you bad now and your mama say I me drink out your money, Mr. Mare is a different man, you know. I don't really want nothing from nobody because me I work. Don't you see me have a job? Me leave out of my yard every morning and go to work? Yes.
Alright, Mr Mare. Me I go down a Mastro to see if Mastro will come with me to drink 2 rum.
Mr. Mastro and a careless man. Matter of fact, I go and take up my phone and call Mastro right now. Mastro, Ramside Amundus a come down, they can call if you got drink from. Don't go nowhere with him. You understand? Somebody might look if he turn workless like himself. You understand? You know, see a big man and him don't have any woman. Why Ramside Amundus want to spend money per man before he go look a woman and spend him money with and get a family? That when him sick, if him sick, you understand, I dead, he have somebody to take care of him. Master don't go nowhere. Yes, Ramside Amundus. I call Master.
Why look like you all have not turn against me?
Me say not turn against me, you have to do the right thing when you're a man. All of we get whole. Remember, you don't have a sheet of zinc yet, you know. Why go shelter you? You still live by your mama yard. Your mother cook and take out him food and give all the rest of food in the pot. Remember a pot, you don't have more time, you don't have more plate. You don't have more pot like a some pig. You know what I mean? Because your mama broke your back. You understand? That's why you don't want go and look a woman and have a good family life. Make I tell you something, move from the gate. If you don't move from the gate, I will let out the dog them for you. Ramside Amundus. Cut road and move from the gate. Subscribe and share. Mr. Mare is here. Have the fear, God dear.